This computer, it runs AI in the rain. This one, it crunches multiple video streams without breaking a sweat. Let's dive in. AI isn't just sitting in climate-controlled server rooms. It's out there on heavy machinery, factory floors, intersections, and work trucks. And it needs to be fast, reliable, and energy efficient. Both of these PCs are fanless and powered by NVIDIA Jetson modules. This is the MIC-715. Inside is the NVIDIA Jetson Xavier NX module with 21 TOPS of AI power. It's IP67 rated, fanless and rugged, and built for multiple sensors. And this is the MIC-733AO. Powered by Jetson Orin AGX, it pushes up to 275 TOPS for real-time object detection, multi-sensor analysis, or running deep models at the edge. For external I/O, it has 4 USB 3.2 ports, gigabit Ethernet, optional PoE, and digital I/O for a range of input-output systems. This version of the MIC-733 includes 4-channel FACRA connectors, giving you Ethernet, USB, and GMSL2 sensors, all connected to a fanless chassis, ready for tough environments. If you need compact and rugged, go with the MIC-715. If your AI stack demands more inputs and horsepower, the MIC-733AO is your move. Both are designed to work in places traditional PCs won't. Not sure which system fits your workload? Call 866-412-6278. We'll build you the right computer for the job.